This drink is amazing, because you can lose weight quickly, if you drink it all the time. You don't need to wait a lot of time, drink it every night and do some cardio workouts about half an hour, and you will see the result in just a few days. Why is it working? Because the ingredients in this drink are all shown to speed up the metabolism, so when you drink it before you go to bed, your body keeps breaking things down quickly. Ginger is considered as the most effective food for weight loss, more than any other dietary supplement. Besides this, its vitamins and minerals can work wonders in fighting chronic diseases and conditions. Lemon juice acts as a digestive and a detoxifying agent, and helps in cleaning the liver, leading to better digestive health. While lemon juice is a good detoxifier, when combined with parsley, it can work wonders for your weight loss regime, and help in losing belly fat. While parsley is low in calories, it contains vitamins A, B, C and K, as well as minerals such as iron and potassium. It also works as a natural diuretic, which can help to flush away toxins and excess fluid. Cucumber has zero fat, low calories, negligible sugar, and many minerals and vitamins like A, C, and K with 95% water content. It is a filling snack. Moreover, it eases constipation and reduces gas and bloating by flushing out toxins. It also lowers total cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood glucose, high levels of which contribute to a bulging belly. Aloe vera juice is an effective option to lose weight. It detoxifies the body, boosts metabolism and acts as a natural laxative. It also keeps us filled for a long time, thereby preventing overeating, which in turn promotes weight loss. Sip this healthy drink before bed, and you'll wake up feeling lighter and more energetic. With these simple ingredients, which you can pick up at your grocery store, you can make this weight loss drink in no time. You will need 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, half glass of water. Preparation: add the ingredients together, blend them, and drink a glass of the juice before bedtime. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.